interesting comments from the HFC, House Freedom Caucus today that you know, they would possibly be open to a subsidy extension if they got certain changes to healthcare policies like HSA expansion, or you know, short-term plans. Is it a clean subsidy extension only for you, or are you open to some of these ideas of the Freedom Caucus and other?
Well, our position has been that we are open certainly to anything bipartisan that emerges from the Senate in good faith, that reopens the government, but at the same time decisively addresses the Republican health care crisis, which includes, but is not limited to, extending the Affordable Care Act tax credits, because that needs to be done with urgency, given the fact that open enrollment starts on November 1st. And all across the country right now, tens of millions of Americans are receiving notices that are shocking them in terms of the premiums, copays, and deductible increases that they are being forced to absorb because of Republican inaction. The other thing that is interesting is that, remember, Republicans have tried to repeal the Affordable Care Act more than 70 times since 2010. These are extremists who have repeatedly tried to take health care away from the American people, which is why I think we've indicated it's a common sense approach that we actually need to reach an agreement to address the Republican health care crisis and not simply be given a promise to consider legislation at some point off in the future.